Hello everyone, today we'll be looking at Shakespeare Does C++, created by the Poem Grammars, and that includes Israel Herrera, Grace Billman, and Natalie Haywood. This program attempts to take a data set of words and their synonyms and what type of word that they are and put it into an AVL tree and the hash map accordingly and create text from it. Whether that be poetry or more standard literature like prose, and with some customization in both. So let's look at prose to start with. And for both prose and poetry, you have the option of setting which data structure to use. I'm going to start with AVL tree, and I'm going to ask it to make 50,000 words and some preferred words. Let's say set nightmare studying Peter's Skater University, and it'll take the suggestion text, and it's relatively fast, at least for that size. If I were to ask for more words, it would naturally take longer. So it tries to look at all the words and make these sentences, such as Eonian Zwingli issue illegally rigid, and it can go on for quite a while. Treeless axone gloss airily. So I don't know all these words, but I know that they're probably still words nevertheless. So we can still look at the poetry, and this one has options for alliteration on every line, how many lines in the poem. So if you wanted to do sonnet, you could do 14, for example. Words per line, let's say 5, and I can also add some preferred words here. So water, control, words, text. Okay, well, I don't know. And see what it tries to do without alliteration first. And take and ensure logos, set an overseas telegram or reckoner. It is a set computing device. It is a set scripture. So, as you can see, poetry can get quite philosophical. Let's try alliteration, or actually let's try comparing it with the speed for the hash map. And they're both relatively fast. Dust up in word or nightmare, cable television in readiness or text. And now we can see what alliteration looks like. Let's go back to AVL tree. Sentimentalized, semestral, said selfishly seismic, coquettishly cause me, control, conforming, cognizable. So the alliteration function seems to work fairly well. And this one can also have a lot more lines. So if we say like 500, and then we'll switch back to hash map for this to test the speed, and it's still pretty fast even with that size. So as you can see, it does alliteration pretty well, possibly primed, leastways. Yeah, as you can see, the program is quite feature filled, and we hope that you would also have fun with it. I'd like to see what kind of text you would generate, and hope you enjoy.